my name is Mykaela and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this Glam half cut crease makeup look right here. I really wanted to create a neutral toned half cut crease that'll pretty much suit any outfit and any special occasion. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep watching. So as you can see, I've already filled in my brows and put on an eyeshadow base. I do have a separate brow tutorial on my channel, so if you guys are interested in that, I will leave it linked down below. I'm going to be using the Morphe 352 palette. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, just because of the colors in it. There's a lot of like neutral browns and like warm orangey colors, so this is kind of like my go-to, you know, like half cut crease palette. Ignore the empty pan here. I had the black shade smash and go all over my luggage when I flew to Greece last year, so it was very devastating. Ruined a lot of clothes. I try and block that memory out of my head. But that is what I am using today. Alright, so I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and this really light, like matte warm brown shade and just start lightly blending it into the crease. Now I'm just going to go in with the tiniest bit of the orange shade. Just going to go and add some more depth with a slightly darker brown. Alright, now I'm going to grab a dark brown and a really small, more defined fluffy brush and really just start building that depth in the crease. Okay, now I'm going to leave it as it is and continue building depth, and then I will blend out the edges of it later. Now I'm going to grab this really dark brown and just continually add some more depth. Because I don't have the black in my palette, I'm going to grab the James Charles and Morphe eyeshadow palette and just go in with this black. Now I'm going to grab the same brush, but this is a clean one, and I'm going to dip in with the like medium tone brown shade that we used before and just start blending out the edges of the eyeshadow. And then as that's blended out, I'm going to start going lighter and lighter with the shades. Now I'm going to carve out the crease using some of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a tiny bit of concealer on a pencil brush, but only a really small amount, because I want to just diffuse the edges of the concealer so it doesn't end so harshly. So now that I have carved out the crease, the hard part is over. So now we need to add that depth back into the outer corner where the concealer has sort of taken some of it away. So now I'm going to grab a like flat brush and just grab these like bronzy colors and just place it next to the darker shadows, because I'm going to fade the color lighter as I get further in. So now I'm going to go in with this like shimmery gold color and just press it onto the mobile lid. Okay, now I'm going to add some eyeliner. For eyeliner today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner in the shade Blackest Black. Now I'm going to pop on some glitter. This is the 3D gold glitter from MAC that I am using. Alright, for lashes, I am using the Miss Broadway lashes from Model Rock. These are the double layered ones. I love super like thick, intense eyelashes. Now that my lashes are on, I am going to pop a little bit of concealer underneath so that I can complete my under eyes before moving on to the skin. Yeah, it's fine. Simeon, you do realize I edit like a whole entire video. Alright, oh my god, I look like a crazy person. Oh my god, in the camera I actually cannot take myself seriously. So please just ignore that. Let's move on to the shadow. I'm going to take a small pencil brush and I'm going to go in with like the medium brown shade. So probably this one here, and just add some depth underneath the eyes, and then I will blend it out with a lighter color. And now I'm going to grab a really small fluffy blending brush and like this transition shade here and just buff it underneath. And I'm actually going to go in with the lightest shade as well. Now what I'm going to do is just add a black eyeliner in the waterline. This one is the Soft Kohl Kajal liner from Rimmel. I think that is pretty much it for the eyes, so we're going to move on to the skin. I'm just going to spritz a little bit of the Fix Plus on my skin to start off with. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this, what is this called? Like a jelly highlighter, illuminator stuff. I don't know what it's called. It's from Zoeva, and the like shade of it is called Mykaela, I think. I don't even know how you pronounce it. So I'm just going to put some of that on my skin. Like, look at it, it's an actual jelly. Oh, like, I don't know how much you're supposed to put, but I'm going to guess probably not as much as I've put on. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a highlighter because it's not really. Oh god, that's a lot. Maybe I'll put some down here. Oh god, I've gone really extreme, haven't I? Oh wow, I look like the Tin Man. Oh, look at this. Stupid pimples. I always have like one pimple. Always. I feel like my skin's never just like perfectly clean. I always have like at least one pimple, and it really frustrates me. Oh, this stuff's like really... Oh god, it's sticky. Ugh. It's really sticky. It feels like you've got like, I don't know, like face paint or something like that on your face. Oh god, that's not nice. Oh, it's really sticky, guys. Don't. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to use a little bit of the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. And hopefully this can, I don't know, soften out my skin or something. Oh, good. It's so velvety. I really love that product. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Can you see that? There's like an actual bubble. Oh! What the hell? Oh, that's so gross. So for foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 290. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Granola. And I'm probably going to mix a little bit of Cotton Candy just to brighten it up a little bit more as well. Alright, so now that I've got the concealer on, I'm going to do a little bit of cream contouring. So to cream contour, I am going to be using the Huda Beauty Tantour Cream in the shade Light. To set my skin, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Translucent Powder in the shade Pound Cake. For bronzer, I'm using the MAC Bronzing Powder in the shade Golden. And then to contour, I'm using the Tarte Pro Glow To Go palette, and I'm using like this dark contour shade. And to highlight my inner corners, I'm going to go in with the James Charles and Morphe palette, and I'm going to use this like really light shade here. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. Nothing new here. I'm just going to highlight my nose first. For lips, I'm going to use the MAC Strip Down Lip Pencil just to line my lips first. And then for lipstick, I'm using the MAC Peach Stock. So to set my skin, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray. I don't know if you're supposed to shake this or not shake this. Oh yeah, shake well before use. It for today's makeup look, you guys. I really hoped you enjoyed my video and you got something out of it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I upload videos every Sunday, and with that being said, until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye!